Did you know Australia's first social housing development still exists today? And it's several decades older than you might think. It's a place called Daceyville, a small suburb about 6 kilometres south of Sydney's CBD. It was named after John Rowland Dacey, a New South Wales parliamentarian who argued that working families deserved healthy homes, green space and affordable rent. Inspired by Britain's Garden City movement, Dacey wanted to create a suburb that juxtaposed Sydney's existing dense housing. In 1912, the New South Wales Government passed the Housing Act, creating the Housing Board and allowing the government to become both builder and landlord. And that same year, Australia's first public housing scheme was underway, 4 decades earlier than most people would think. It was known as the Dacey Garden Suburb. From the beginning, Daceyville was carefully planned, with tree-lined streets, open spaces, shops, schools, and community facilities. Even the design encouraged community, with many homes built without front fences and shared green spaces woven through the suburb. Rent was kept low, aiming to give working families a healthier place to live. Today, more than 110 years since construction started, almost 70% of homes in Daceyville remain for use as social housing.